For the last 7 days, you have been voting for your favourite player on the QuizBob social media channels. Your favourite player will have a big advantage in today's quiz contest. We call it People Power. They might be best of friends, but they both want to win. Which of today's players have you voted as your favourite? Can they use their advantage to keep their mate inside our gunge tank? Let's meet today's People Power players.
I'm Jack.
I'm Jimmy. I met Jack because he goes out with my sister. She brought this Muppet home one day. Yeah, we've been best of friends ever since.
Best friends.
Sometimes. We're not killing each other.
You call it best friends.
Yeah, that's what he says.
Yeah, I'm Jack. I own a clothing brand. Limit. I'm a bricklayer.
I do a bit of this, bit of that. I'm a tour manager for my friend who's a DJ. Big interest in sound, do sound design, Foley, produce music, model for this Muppet sometimes. When I feel like it.
Yeah.
Our latest venture, we started a pick and mix company. We're in together called Juicy Mix. Having a blast with that. Yeah. I genuinely thought everyone would vote for me to get a gunge, but it kind of looks, from what I've seen,
In your favour.
a little bit in my favour. I didn't pay anyone.
I see £1 coins getting thrown about.
He was voting for himself.
I've got 3 accounts and I voted each time.
Yeah.
Still didn't win. Just lucky, isn't it?
I'm not lucky, I'm just, sick. No, I just thought everyone would be like, Jimmy's real fussy about his hair.
Yeah, that's what I thought though.
You know, they're gonna do me.
Look, like don't even move.
Like I do everyone dirty all the time. I just thought they'd have a chance to
Get you back.
get me back. Yeah.
Yeah, see, I'm quite a nice guy.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like you're the nice. Yeah, but I mean,
I have my days.
yeah, I feel like I piss more people off than you.
Yeah, you definitely did.
That's what I mean. So I thought it'd just be like loads of mental girls and stuff trying to
Yeah, there's a few of them in the woodwork.
do me dirty.
Well, who have you done dirty with your voting? You cast almost 600 votes to choose your favourite, and with an amazing 74%. The People Power belongs to Jimmy.
Yeah, boy. 74%. Thank you guys. Ah.
Fucking hell. I thought I had friends, you know.
Yeah, I bet you don't.
I'm not a fan